Hey guys, this is Swapnil, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you some simple ways through which you can get to know the specifications of your Android smartphone. This video might seem very simple to some people, or rather to some geeks, as this is a pretty basic thing, but this video is for those people who are not aware of how to check the system specifications of a particular Android smartphone. Let's go ahead and check it out. The first thing you might want to know about your device is the Android version. For that you need to go into the settings and then you need to go to about device. There you can clearly see the Android version. In my case I have Android version 4.3, that's Jelly Bean. You might have 4.4.2 or the 4.4.4, that's KitKat, or maybe even the latest Lollipop, or previous builds like Ice Cream Sandwich and Gingerbread. So those versions can be seen directly from the about section in the settings, and then you can go ahead and see the Android version. Then there are some simple applications which will help you to look at the specifications of your device. The first one, and by far the most popular one to check the system specifications, is the application called CPU-Z or CPU-Z in some regions. So this is a pretty fantastic application which will easily help you in knowing the specifications of your Android device. For example, in my case, I have a Samsung Exynos processor, that's 4412, clocked at 1.4 GHz. It is a quad-core processor and the architecture is based on Cortex A9. Then you can see the processors, that's 32 Newton meters, clock speed of all the CPU cores, CPU load and scaling governor and stuff. You also have the system information, for example the model number, the brand, the board, display, hardware. Just a minute guys. So yeah, okay, yeah, there we go. You can also see the Android version, that's 4.3, OpenGL version, kernel architecture version, screen size 4.8 inches, screen resolution, pixel density, total RAM, available RAM, internal storage, available storage, and root access. And if you are rooted, then it would show yes at place of the root access, where in my case it's showing no. You also have your battery indicators. For example, I have a 2100 mAh battery and it's currently 25% charged. You can see here as well, and here the same thing. You also have all your sensors which you can go ahead and check it out, and you also have about in this application called the CPU-Z. Here you also have CPU-Z settings where you can go ahead and choose the temperature which you want. If you are familiar with Fahrenheit scales, you might go ahead and choose that. You also have features as GPU, CPU load and sensors. After selecting all the required settings which you need, go ahead and press the save, and then everything would be optimized according to your standards and what do you wish to see. So this is a pretty fantastic application for showing all the specifications for your Android device. The next tab, which is actually a benchmark sort of a thing, it's called the Antutu Benchmark. I've already used this video, or rather this application, in my earlier videos for benchmarking Motorola Moto E and the S3. If you guys remember from those videos, this is a benchmark application. It is also a pretty fantastic benchmark application, as well as it is also a pretty fantastic app to show the specifications. For example, if I go into device info, again you have all those same things: brand, model, Android version, CPU model, renderer, resolution and stuff. You also have CPU model, type, cores, frequency. Then again you have display. You also have your GPU, that's Mali 400 in my case, and other settings, Android version again, SDK version. Then you also have all the sensors, and for example it also shows those sensors which are not supported, so it's again a good thing. You can also go ahead and do an LCD test, so it would show various colors and then you just need to press on. You also have a multi-touch test. This would tell you about the number of fingerprint inputs or other touch inputs your device can accept. In my case I am having 10, I believe. Let's check. So it's 10. Okay, it's 10 of course, it's not 9. So those were the few simple applications through which you can check the system specifications of your Android device. I will link all those applications which I have shown in this video, mainly the CPU Z application and the Antutu Benchmark application, in the show notes. You can go ahead and download these applications, and do hit the thumbs up button down below if you enjoyed this video. And do let me know in the comment section below that which device are you using and what's the specification of your device. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and hope you enjoyed it. You can also follow me on Facebook and Google and Twitter, and links to them would be in the description. Thank you guys for watching this video and hope you enjoyed it.